Cellphone. Wala ka plaster mo dago. How many? 1, 2.
Chicken.
Asan chicken? Any beef? Asan kanton hala? Only 2.
Oh, sige.
And each row.
Kana, kato yellow, kana orange.
Asan to yellow?
Daghan na.
Yellow? Nani?
Oh, kana.
It's time to go shopping. That's it?
Kato usa. Oh. Di, ang yellow. Go.
Food cup. Food cup.
Ikaw.
Ayun.
Pero, again, sige na hinay lang. Hinahinay, basta, pila nga gasoline roll, ay ang diesel. 100,
Hina, hina.
150 plus, 140 plus, so kung minus 10 pesos, maubos siya. Diba? Alam siya kung 148.
Diba kay Ani?
Sige, sige na.
They don't want this one. This one
Yes, Brenda.
or this one?
Ikaw daw na.
Ano? Toothpaste. Toothpaste shampoo.
Alam niya ba?
Napkin. Napkin. Cool napkin. Downy.
Nate daw na.
One. Cotton buds.
Ito, kung magtinabang
Ini
kayo
cotton
tayo.
buds.
Ayun.
Pero guwapo ah.
Uncomfortable na yung medyo burden. Sinabi ko tayo ang
Safeguard.
Come on, yes, friend. Ano mo, naaman eh. Ano yung problema ha? Pero,
Suwayan daw rin dato. Suwayan.
Dili kang forever next. Ano 100 ka pinag-
Ani okay, daghan kay ko kita ani TikTok perfect skin. 7 days mama.
Alam ni Diris ko.
Mami oh, siya baby.
Sabi ko.
Can I see? Let me see a baby.
Balik ko siya. 50 or 60 pesos. Ay, good trip na nagbalik.
Perfect skin in 7 days.
Ano kayo, wala. Okay, sa mga sweldo day next week pa. Agad. Okay, Robert,
Diba kay safeguard? Diba kay sabon?
Ha?
Shampoo.
Ayaw.
Shampoo. How many? 2?
Di na mao, dire oh. Are be. This one is what you call that, guys? For the cat. This one is the cat food. Yeah. So I buy this one. Party. Pancit Canton, guys.
Ikaw na how many pancit canton? No,
One.
pancit canton.
This is pancit. Ito ang ano. milk. This milk is for kuan. Yeah. Why kuan? This milk is for
Avocado.
my avocado.
Just watch the video.
Pansit canton.
Dalawa din ako, ma.
Oh, taro nga.
Ila-ilain ni flavors.
Kura, ano to? Ipauliring na nga kuan.
Ordering ng mga flavors. Okay. Chicken is in the other order with bread.
Kunyara sa ako na ipailawan na.
More nicer to put the consistency here.
So we have toothpaste. We have shampoo. Because the big, what you call that guys, the big of head and shoulder.
Ay, doon sa naman eh.
Kuha ah. Big of head and shoulder
Yes,
guys.
ma'am.
Oh, kuha ah. Sabi na. It's 340. So this one is 444 for 2. So I have seen something. Nagpuan lang ko. This one is sister. My napkin.
I'll be the one sa I want to work.
So, why I buy like this? One is for my laundry. I will put this one in my clothes after I'm done washing. This one is for cooking. So,
Oil.
that is a trick, this one guys. So, if you use this one to your laundry, it's not smelly like that. That's what I know. Because this is what I always use.
Old na ni, ma.
And it's proven.
Old na ni.
Ano man?
Okay naman eh.
Dugay na. Ako dia sa hirabi, Kalabat niyo mo.